Okay, so what do Drake and Meghan Markle have in common? They're cousins? No. They have a kid together? Wrong again, my friend. Oh, I know. They both have the hots for Dua Lipa. No. Please stop guessing. They both love Dr. Bronner's. Oh, of course. A plastic surgeon. Nancy, Dr. Bronner's is a brand of soap. What? Soap? Yep, Castile soap. I read on Vox that Drake takes the peppermint soap with him on tour, and Meghan Markle loves the lavender soap because the smell lasts for such a long time. And they're not the only ones. Sandra Bullock, Bobby Brown, Jason Mraz, Olivia Wilde, Zoe Kravitz, Greta Gerwig, Kate Hudson, Natalie Portman, and Lady Gaga love it too. Yeah, makes sense. All those celebrities love Castile soap. My bad, Castile soap. What is that anyway? And what's so great about Dr. Bronner's? I'm gonna show you. And I'm gonna give you some recipes like my organic body wash and eco-friendly yoga mat spray to help you get started. Wait, you clean your body and your yoga mat with the same soap? And so much more. It's magic. It's called Castile soap because it was originally made from olive oil in the Castile region of Spain. It's a plant-based soap, and these days you can find it made with oils like coconut, castor, hemp seed, palm kernel, jojoba, avocado, walnut, and almond. Regular soap contains animal fats and a long list of synthetic ingredients you do not want on your skin. We've talked about this in previous videos. The skin is the largest organ in your body, and it is highly absorbent. This study shows that the skin absorbs about 64% of what you put on it. But in areas like the face, under the jaw, armpits, anywhere it's dark and damp, or where you have lymph nodes, the absorption rates are substantially higher. And that means so are the chances of those ingredients seeping into the deepest layers of your skin and into the lymphatic system where they can enter the bloodstream. But do you have to make it so intense? I'm just looking out for you, boo. Castile soap is natural, non-toxic, and biodegradable. It's safe for your skin and this beautiful planet that we share. I spent a lot of time learning about Dr. Bronner's to make this video, and the truth is, the more I learned about the company and the family, the more emotionally invested I became. Dr. Bronner's was founded in 1948 by Emanuel Bronner, a third-generation master soap maker from a German-Jewish soap-making family. He fled to the US in 1929 to escape the Nazis and began touring the country, lecturing on a plan to unite mankind.
So we are all one or all none.
Lots of life happens in between, and eventually he starts making peppermint soap on the side. He's giving it away at his lectures, and he notices people taking the soap and leaving. So he starts printing the lecture on the labels, what he called the moral ABCs. What really moved me was his relentless desire to remind us that we are all in this together. After Dr. Bronner's passing in 1997, his two sons and daughter-in-law, Ralph, Jim, and Trudy, took over the business. Now that Ralph and Jim have passed, Dr. Bronner's grandchildren, David, Michael, and Lisa, work together with their mother, Trudy, to continue their grandfather's vision of making socially and environmentally responsible products of the highest quality.
My grandfather put his philosophy on the bottle of soap. And what this generation is doing is taking that message off the bottle and applying it wherever we can.
I watched Lisa give a tour of the factory, and all I can say is clean, green, and pristine. I kept thinking, I'm so glad this is the soap I choose to put on my body. Is that why it's double the price? Let me show you something. Here we've got 2 6-packs of soap, Dr. Bronner's and Dove. Disclaimer, I'm not picking on Dove. I buy the sensitive skin bar from time to time, but let's compare. Yes, Dr. Bronner's does cost more, but why? Well, first, the bars are bigger. With Dr. Bronner's, you get 2 extra bars worth of soap. Second, the ingredients are all organic. What the heck is all that stuff? And third, people all along the pipeline are being paid fair wages. Did I mention they mindfully source their olive oil from Israeli and Palestinian farmers?
I think blending olive oil from Palestine and Israel is a symbolic but significant contribution to promoting the concept of coexistence and cooperation in this area.
The soap itself is the bomb diggity, but it's so much more than that. When you purchase Dr. Bronner's, you are supporting efforts that make this world a better place, providing jobs and homes to people in developing countries, saving whales and dolphins, donating to community centers, supporting food banks, and cutting-edge initiatives like MAPS. I feel like I shared so much, and yet I left so much out. I left some links below if you want to learn more about the Bronners, read about them on their website, check out their YouTube channel, watch mini clips from Uncle Ralph. Just keep the tissues close by because you will cry. Ultimately, this experience has humbled, inspired, and empowered me. And I just want to say thank you. You're all so amazing. All right, let's get down to business. The organic sugar soap is what I use in my body wash recipe. You're gonna use 1 part Dr. Bronner's organic sugar soap, 3 parts water, a few drops of your favorite essential oil, add it to the foam dispenser, shake it up, and enjoy. For my yoga mat spray, you're gonna mix 2 cups of water, 4 drops of Dr. Bronner's pure castile liquid soap, 4 drops of doTERRA tea tree oil into a spray bottle and shake it up. There are so many other ways you can use this soap, so I've left a link for the dilution cheat sheet, which also has a whole list of recipes. Nancy, you okay? Oh, yeah. I'm just thinking about everything I'm gonna replace with Dr. Bronner's. Cool. Just remember to take it slow. Start with one thing and take it from there. If you're ready to reduce your chemical exposure, your environmental footprint, and grab some of the best soap on Spaceship Earth, the link is in the description. The Baby Unscented line is my favorite because I tend to have dry, sensitive skin, and it's the best soap for a clean and healthy vulva. What? I know you heard me. If you've got one or your partner does, you're gonna want this right here. Don't overthink it. Go on and click it.